Hello, and welcome to Speak Slow, Speak Up.
I'm Tom.
I'm so happy to have you here today. In this podcast, we will learn English for travel. I will speak slowly, clearly, and in a friendly way. If you are learning English, this is the perfect place for you. Today, we will talk about how you can use English when you travel. It's going to be fun and easy to understand.
So, why is learning English for travel important? Well, English is the most common language spoken around the world. When you travel, English can help you in many situations. Asking for directions, ordering food at a restaurant, booking a hotel room, talking to people on your trip. Knowing some important English phrases can make your travel experience much easier and more enjoyable. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice and use what you know. Today, I'm going to teach you some important tips for using English when you travel.
Tip 1. Listen every day. Listening is so important for learning any language. If you listen to English every day, it will become easier to understand and speak. You can listen to podcasts, music, or videos in English. The more you listen, the better your English will become. For example, when you are traveling, you can listen to English podcasts like this one. You can also listen to conversations between people. Try to focus on the words you know. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening.
Let me give you an example. Imagine you are at the airport. You hear an announcement in English. Attention passengers, flight 123 to Paris is now boarding at gate 5. At first, this may sound fast or difficult, but if you listen to English every day, you will start to understand these kinds of announcements.
Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. What does shadowing mean? It means you listen to a sentence and then you repeat it, just like a shadow following you. This helps you improve your speaking and pronunciation. Let's try it together. Listen carefully, and then repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Where is the nearest hotel? Can I have the menu, please? How much is this? I'm lost. Can you help me? What time is my flight? Great job! You did amazing! Shadowing is a fun way to practice your speaking skills and improve your English. Tip 3. Think in English. When you are learning a new language, it's important to think in that language. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. For example, if you're at a restaurant, instead of thinking in your language and then translating, think in English. Let's try an example. If you are thinking about what to order, try saying it in English first. I would like a pizza, please. Or, can I have a coffee with milk? The more you think in English, the easier it will be to speak.
Let's imagine you are traveling and you want to ask for directions. You need to say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" But instead of thinking in your language first, try to think in English right away. This way, you can ask for help faster and feel more confident.
Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading aloud is another great way to practice your English. When you read aloud, it helps with your pronunciation and fluency. You can read books, signs, menus, or even travel guides. Try to read the words clearly and say them out loud. For example, when you see a sign that says, "Restroom this way," you can read it aloud and practice saying it. Or when you look at a menu, try reading the items aloud. I would like the chicken sandwich. I'll have the soup of the day. Imagine you are at a hotel. You see a sign that says, "Reception on the left." You can read this aloud to practice. Reception on the left. Reading signs and menus aloud helps you get used to English phrases and words. Tip 5. Use English in daily life. One of the best ways to improve your English is to use it in your everyday life. You don't have to wait until you travel. Start using English now. For example, you can practice speaking English with a friend. Or you can label things around your house in English. Label your door, your fridge, your table, and even your bathroom in English. This helps you learn new words and use them in your daily routine. Let's say you are cooking dinner. Try saying the steps in English. I am cutting the vegetables. I am boiling the water. I am frying the chicken. This is a great way to practice using English while doing something simple and fun. Now, let's do one more shadowing practice. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. I need a taxi to the airport. How far is the museum from here? I'll have the steak, please. Can I pay by credit card? Do you have a map of the city? Wonderful job! You did it! Keep practicing shadowing and your speaking skills will improve. You did an amazing job today. You learned 5 important tips for using English when you travel. Listen every day. Shadow what you hear. Think in English. Read aloud. Use English in daily life. These tips will help you feel more confident and comfortable when you travel. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The most important thing is to practice and keep going. Every time you practice, you are getting better and better. I believe in you. You can do this. Keep listening, keep shadowing, and keep using English every day. You are on your way to becoming a confident English speaker. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time on Speak Slow, Speak Up.